GoPro Hero 13 Black Review. HyperSmooth 6.0 shakes off shaky footage. Ever feel overwhelmed chasing that perfect, smooth shot while your camera overheats or its batteries crap out mid-adventure? My ski trip last winter turned into total chaos because of shaky, unusable GoPro clips that ruined my whole edit. That's where the GoPro Hero 13 Black in forest green changes the entire rugged game. Have you ever felt your own gear betray you? Drop your story in the comments. What's your action camera nightmare? You know the feeling. Deadlines loom as you wrestle with glitchy stabilization. Stress builds from uncontrollable lens flare. Burnout hits hard, editing an endless, shaky mess. That heavy frustration weighs you down. But there's a calmer way. Imagine buttery smooth footage, endless runtime, and crystal clarity without the constant fight. Imagine your adventures just flowing free. Sound like the escape you need? Then I found the answer. The GoPro Hero 13 Black in the stunning forest green. What sets it worlds apart is its new HB series lenses with auto detect. They snap on magnetically for instant swaps. It captures breathtaking 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, which is 91% sharper than traditional 4K. It grabs professional detail. You can pull 27 megapixel photos that pop straight from your video frames. Its HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization with AutoBoost locks your horizon, gimbal-free. Burst Slo-Mo lets you slow the action down by 13 times to reveal hidden magic. It's waterproof down to 33 feet, shrugging off mud, snow, and water without a case. The new Enduro battery stretches to over 1.5 hours of continuous 5.3K recording. And a water-repelling lens cover kills flare and artifacts. The outcome? You get epic edits, fast. A wave of relief washes over you as the vibes just steady. I know a busy pro videographer who nearly missed a critical deadline. A drone dive shot was unusably shaky on his old camera. But the Hero 13 stabilization saved it, delivering crystal clear 5.3K slow motion. And the Quik app let him yank 24.7 megapixel stills in seconds. The ease is tangible, a tingle of pure clarity surging through your workflow. It's a cheeky thought. Why beg for a steady shot when this camera gifts it to you? The emotional high is pure creative flow. The time saved lets you chain your focus back to what matters. HyperSmooth 6.0 turns a shaky run into footage as smooth as railroad tracks. Performance peaks with the flexibility to crop into your 5.3K footage without losing detail. The results dazzle clients. Major tech publications are already crowning it the best stabilization ever. Influencer adventure channels are saying, the Hero 13 Black's lens mods swap in seconds. It's a total game changer. Industry analysts note it's the top low-light leap for action cams. On user forums, one person shared, "My forest green model took a 4-day surf trip's abuse, and the battery life was unbeatable. I've seen tests showing over 100 minutes of continuous 5.3K 60 recording. My own observation, Wi-Fi 6 offloads a 40GB card in just minutes, which is editing bliss." Thousands of creators can't stop talking about this new modular ecosystem. An objection? It looks like the same price as before. Here's the reassurance. Tangible leaps, like the 15% battery capacity bump and the magnetic lens system, genuinely justify it. The value explodes. It's a short, powerful punch. There's a fun rhythm to it now. Your shaky cam foes just flee. So, which lens mod sparks your creativity? The macro for close-ups or the neutral density filter for cinematic motion? Comment your dream shot below. Here's a playful truth. This camera outshines even its own hype. And it creates a positive chain reaction. Organized, high-quality footage fuels professional wins. The experience varies it up in the best way. You can join the community of creators already wielding the GoPro Hero 13 Black for real results, smoother edits, longer shoots, and sharper visual stories. Its core perks truly shine. The insane detail of 5.3K 60, the unbeatable HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization, and the tough, unique style of the forest green finish. Your specific results may vary based on your setup, but the transformation in your adventure footage flow is real. You'll find more details in the affiliate link in the description and the pinned comment. Go check the full specs and maybe snag that limited edition green. It's an easy upgrade to fearless, professional footage. If you watch the full video, I'll share my personal lens mod hack to get even more out of it.